Hello guys, welcome back to Cypher Finance, and today we are going to be talking about we are going to be showing a withdrawal proof of the DMM shopping platform, which I did. I made a video of the platform and I told you guys I'm going to make a withdrawal proof. For those that are new, this is Cypher Finance. We make analysis on Bitcoin and meme coins, and we also post an insight. So you have to subscribe and also like the video if you understand the video, because I'll be posting more insight and also more meme coin analysis. If you keep going down, you'll be seeing a lot of insight on this channel. So today we are going to make a withdrawal proof of the DMM platform. Stay tuned and make sure you watch till the end. So let's continue now. For those that don't know about the DMM platform, you have to go down below the description button. I posted a link there. You can use it to watch the full tutorial. So if you watch this video to the end and you want to invest, go down below and hit the description button. Before you make a withdrawal on the DMM platform, you have to have made your 50 grab. I talked about this in the last video. You have to make the 50 grab for that day, and then you can go to your profile and then click on withdraw. And you have to set up your withdrawal. First of all, you put in your real name, your email, your address, and which is like your country location, and then your network type, and paste your TRC20 address. So I'll be using the Binance address. Let's go to the Binance wallet where I'll copy my USDT address. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm at the Binance app, and then I copy my TRC20 wallet address, and then we'll go back to the withdrawal page to impute the address. So when you've come to adding your real information, all you have to do is impute your real name like I told you. And as you can see, I'm going to impute my address here, but I won't show you guys when I'm imputing the details for security purpose. Then after you've imputed all of that, all you have to do is click on confirm. And then once you confirm, let's go back and you're going to see the withdrawal will be processing. If you check the record here, which is the time, the right corner, the top left corner, sorry, if you check the top left corner, click on the toggle button there, you're going to see it hasn't been confirmed yet, and it can read the single amount of withdrawal is between 20 to 999 USDT. The payment is sent 12 a.m. on the next day after the withdrawal request is approved, but it usually takes 2 hours to 72 hours for the withdrawal. Every withdrawal must complete a minimum purchase order of 50. I already told you, you must make the 50 order before you place a withdrawal. So I've already placed the withdrawal, and then we are going to fast forward till the second when I get my withdrawal to show you guys on my Binance wallet. It did a while, about 6 to 7 hours, and then I got my withdrawal, and I'm going to show you guys the withdrawal right now. So let's go to withdraw and let's check the history of the withdrawal. As you can see, the withdrawal is a success, and we'll go to the Binance to check if I have received my withdrawal. So let's go to my Binance account. As you can see, I've received 17.86 USDT. The other charge was because of the country tax on crypto, which is about 3%. So it was cut from the 19 USDT that it's supposed to reach. But I'm just trying to tell you that this platform is legit. The platform is paying as of the time I'm making this video. Also, I'll be doing more insight I'll be bringing to your way. So make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on that also. Thanks for watching, and many more gains to your wallet. Okay, and don't forget to invite your friends, because there's a reward, or $8 reward for every invite you made. So make sure you invite your friends also, and subscribe. Please subscribe and like the video. That is how you can appreciate me. Thanks for watching, and many more gains to your wallet.